Hello everyone, myself Nitya Dolu from 3rd year BAj presenting you Interpretation Center as my project. The term Interpretation Center refers to the set of actions aimed to strengthening public awareness regarding a particular site and improve its understanding. They are also known as the new kind. I have done case study of Interpretation Center of Romanesque. The area is 1500 square meters. Location of the site is Portugal. The exhibition space refers a bit of monumentary, referring us to the interior of the buildings. Each of the volume ceiling interprets one of the roof used in the Romanesque architecture. The central space allows the light invention into the space explores the constant bright and dark relationship between it and the exhibition space. The central body is covered by the glass, which is also used as the pathway on the upper floors. The location of the site is near Pandavleni, and the above images are of the sites. Site is located in Query as shown in the site section. Plan evolution. This sheet refers to that how the spaces were evolved throughout the process. Site plan. The main entrance is from the east to west. The west side of the site has the query of 40-meter height and which I have used in the exhibition space. And there is a visual connection of Pandavleni caves to north side of the site. Entering to the site, I have given two-wheeler parking near to the reception. After the drop-off point, at the northeast side of the site, there is four-wheeler parking and the bus parking. Reception is given near the drop-off point. From reception, the path connects to the interpretation center, which is exhibition space, which leads to library and audio-visual room. Accommodation center is placed at the bottom of the site so that the privacy can be maintained in that area. Cafe is given at the north side of the site so that the viewer can enjoy the view of the northern side of the site. The journey starts from the reception to exhibition space and leads to the library and ends to the cafe area. Accommodation center has the two-story height. 3D views. These are the 3D views of the site showing the circulation and the landscape of the site. Interpretation center. In exhibition space, I have used existing rock of the quarry. The idea is that the visitor can descend with the mountain. The central space allows the light invention into the space, explores the constant bright and dark relation between exhibition space. Entering to the museum, on the right hand side, there is waiting area and the reception to the exhibition space. And after that, the visitor leads to the exhibition area. Library and audiovisual room. Entering to the library, there are two stacking areas and the reading space. The reading space are indoor and outdoor as preferred to the visitors. They can also read outside and also enjoy the view while reading. And two AV rooms are there, capacity of 50 people. The cafe has a small kitchen and the serving counter, and it has the two different types of seating, indoor and outdoor. And also the seating is given at the roof so that they can enjoy the view. At the backside of the cafe, there is a service road which is used for the accommodation center. Entering to the accommodation center, on the left hand side, there is an reception space which leads to the semi covered space and which individually leads to the open courtyards surrounded by the rooms, which has a common washroom. On the first floor, the four corners of the buildings, there is an sitting area which gives the view of the site, and the room on the first floor has an attached balcony so that they can also have the view. These are the 3D views and the walkthrough of the project.